Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to show you some really simple Hydrangea cupcakes. You're going to want to start with a star tip. Now you don't have to use a star tip for this portion, but I hate wasting piping bags, so I'm just using my star tip for right now. I want my flowers to look a little bit more realistic, so I tried as closely as possible to find a selection of colors that look like a variety of hydrangea that actually exist. You'll notice that I'm not even cleaning out my bag between colors when I pipe the new color, just because this flower does have a mixture of colors that happens anyway, so I didn't think it was that big of a deal. After you've piped your colors onto your plastic wrap, then you can just fold it all together like this. And there's a lot of different ways you can fill your piping bag. I just find doing it this way makes sure that your piping colors stay nice and separate for the whole duration of you piping your cupcake instead of swirling more and more together. When you are piping these flowers, it's really simple. The key is to keep your piping tip nice and close to the cupcake, but not so that it's digging in, and you squeeze your piping bag, and then when you want to release off the flower, you stop pressing your piping bag. And there you have it, really beautiful and yet realistic looking hydrangeas. I baked my cupcakes in a little flower pot because I have a special little mold for that, but you totally don't have to do this. Even if you put regular cupcake liners on it, it's still going to look gorgeous. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of this sweetie fam. Right now I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Bye!